Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is triangles, and in that chapter we already discussed about the Thales theorem, and we take and solve some important question based on Thales theorem or BPT, basic proportionality theorems. And in previous class we start the new topic of that chapter, means was the condition for similarity criterion of similarity of a triangles. And in previous class we already discussed about the similar angle similarity, means AAA similarity, as well as we already discussed about the SSS similarity, means side side similarity. Okay, now in today's class we discuss about the third and very important criterion of similarities of a triangle, that is SAS similarity. And we discuss about that similarity as well as, and we take and solve we take and solve some important questions, a very important theorem based on that similarity, and we proving them. So dear student, now we are going to take and discuss the very important similarity theorem related to SAS similarity criterion. Similarity criterion. And the theorem related to that, criterion is what? If in two triangles, if in two triangles if in two triangles two pairs of corresponding sides are two pairs of corresponding sides are proportional are proportional two pair of corresponding sides are proportional, and the included angles and the included angles are equal are equal then then the two triangles are similar, then the two triangles are similar. This is the very important theorems related to the criteria SAS similarity criteria. And your theorem, and the theorem is what? If in two triangles two pairs of corresponding sides are proportional, and the angle and the included angles are equal, then they are similar to each other. This is your theorem. Now, first of all, let's see, first of all we draw two triangles. We draw two triangles as A, B, C, and next one what? D here. So in given, first of all, in order to prove any theorem, first of all we write the given. Okay. So first of all we write given. So in given we write the two triangles ABC, two triangles ABC and two triangles ABC and DEF, two triangles such that angle A is equal to angle D, angle A is equal to angle D, angle A is equal to two triangles ABC and DEF such that angle A is equal to angle D, and according to theorem two pairs of corresponding sides are proportional. So here two pairs of corresponding sides take as AB upon DE is same as the AC upon DF, AC upon DF. So this is given, and now we write to prove. What I prove, we have to show that triangles are similar to means triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Now in that triangle we have to do some constructions. Let us take 2 points on D as P and DF as Q, and we join PQ. We take 2 points. So in construction we take 2 points. Let us take 2 points P and Q on DE and DF respectively. So in construction we take as 2 points P and Q on D and DF respectively, such that AB is equal to DP, AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ, and AC is equal to DQ. Okay. So first of all, let's see once more time. In construction we take as 2 points P on DE and Q on DF respectively, and we in such a way कि AB that side is equal to DP and side AC is equal to side DQ. Now first of all we write given, then we write to prove, then we write construction, and last we write proof. Now we write as proof. So first of all we take triangles ABC and triangles DPQ. Okay, we take triangle ABC and triangle DPQ. So in that triangles AB is equal to DP, AB is equal to DP. This is by construction. This is by construction. AB is equal to DP. Angle A is equal to angle D. This is given in our question because of one pairs of included angle between two pairs of sides are equal to each other. So angle A is equal to angle D, which is given. And last one is what we take AC is equal to DQ. This is again by construction. This is by constructions. So in both the triangles ABC and DPQ, two pairs and the angle included between them are equal to each other. Thus by which congruence criterion? Thus by side angle side, means SAS congruence rule. Triangle ABC is congruence to triangle DPQ. Triangle DPQ. Okay. So take equation number 1. So in this way, first of all we have to show that the triangle ABC is similar congruence to triangle DPQ. Now now we have what AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF. This is given relation, okay, and by construction we take as AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ na, by construction. So but we know that AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. Then by above relation we have AB we put as DP upon this is DE, right as it is, and AC we take as DQ upon DF, right as it is. Now let's see in triangle DEF. Now look, now dear friends, in triangle DEF, DP upon DE, DP upon DE is equal to DQ upon DF. Now taken by Thales theorem, PQ is parallel to EF, because by the converse of Thales theorem, dear students, by the converse of Thales theorem it is clear that PQ is parallel to EF, because of that by according to Thales theorem, if the other two side divided by that line segment, if other two side divided into the same ratio, then that sides are parallel to EF. So dear students, here it is clear that we have to prove that dP upon dC d is equal to dq upon df. Then by Thales theorem, by the converse of Thales theorem, line segment PQ parallel to EF, PQ is parallel to AF. Now look, this is take equation one, write in this way here. Equation 1 is what? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. Okay, this is equation 1 now. We will write in this way. So from figure PQ is parallel to EF, then and ED as a transversal, then angle DPQ is equal to angle E, because of that if two parallel lines are there and cuts by the transversal ED, then the corresponding angles must be equal to each other. So angle P, that angle DPQ is equal to angle E, and angle DQP is equal to angle F. So then angle DPQ is equal to angle E and angle DQP is equal to angle F. These are what? Corresponding angles, and corresponding angles are equal to each other. Okay, now look, so we have to show that this is equal to this. Now we take triangle DPQ and DEF. Now in triangles DPQ and DEF we have what? Angle DPQ is equal to angle E, angle DQP is equal to angle F, and angle D is equal to angle D. This is what common in both the triangles, that is by angle similarity. Thus by angle similarity, dear friends, triangle DP2 similar to triangle DEF. Then by angle similarity, triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF. Take equation number 2. It is clear, everyone? So because of both are similar to each other, na, so by the concept of angle similarity, triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF. Okay, now look, now what I do, this is simply we have to do similar. Now from equation 1, since triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ, this is one. Since that is, therefore if two triangles are congruent to each other, then it must be similar to each other also. So means triangle ABC is similar to triangle DPQ. Take equation number 3. Because of two triangles are similar congruent, then they are similar to each other also. Okay, now so in this way here we have to show that the triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF, and here triangle ABC is similar to DPQ. So using 2 and 3, thus using equation 2 and 3, we get, using 2 and 3, triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Triangle DEF, hence proved. Okay, dear student, thus in this way we prove the SAS similarity. This is one of the most important similarity criteria of similarity of two triangles, which is very important for you and your upcoming examination. So please do more and more practices of that congruence criterion, similarity criteria of similarities. Okay, now we take and discuss some important questions based on, so in this way we discuss all the important similar criterion of similarity, like angle similarity, side similarities, and also we discuss about the side similarity. So please you revise all three important similarity related to triangles and solve the NCERT question. Now we take and solve some important questions based on the similarity of a triangle. Let's see. And we take a very important question. And question is, state which pair of triangles, state which pair of triangles, are similar. And first part of that question is, ABC and This is P, Q, R. Okay, two triangles are there, and this is 40, this is 60, and this is 80. Now this is and this is 60 degree, and this is 40 degree, and this is 80 degree. Now let's see. First of all, we take the first part of that question, and here we have to discuss about the this is similar or not. So from triangle, now this is first part of that question. Now from triangle A, B, C, and triangle PQR and triangle PQR, we observe that what angle A is equal to angle Q, angle A is equal to angle Q, which is equal to 40 degree. Okay, angle B is equal to angle B, P, angle P, which is equal to 60 degree. Okay, and angle C is equal to angle R, which is equal to 80 degree. Thus we know that the angle similarity, thus by a similarity, similarity, triangle ABC is similar to triangle QPR, similar to triangle QPR. Okay, dear students, so this is the required solution of the given. Yes, so in this way we can say that by the concept of a similarity, means angle similarity, the triangle ABC is similar to triangle QPR. This is a very important concept related to that topic. Now similarly we take and solve the second part of this question. Let's see. Now we take and discuss the second part of this question. And your question is second part of this question. Second part, there are two triangles. P, Q, R. This is 2.5 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter, and this is 3 centimeter. Okay, and second triangle is DEF. DEF, which is 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 6 centimeter. Okay, now for similarity, first now here we discuss we have a angle similarity, side similarity. In side similarity, if, dear friends, if the corresponding sides of the given triangles are proportional to each other, then by the concept of SSS similarity we can say that both the triangles are similar to each other. So here from figure, let's see its solution. From figure, PQ, first of all you find PQ upon DE. So for PQ upon DE is equal to 1. This is 2.5 and D was 5. So here we write 0, so it's cancelled to each other. So 25 upon 50, 25 1 is 25 2 is 2 1 upon 2. In this way we find the value of PQ upon D. So PQ upon D is what? 1 by 2. Now similarly we find QR upon EF, and QR upon EF. QR is what? 2 upon EF is what? 4. 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4. So QR upon EF is also equal to what? 1 by 2. Similarly, uh, simi- similarly we find what? We find PR upon DF. Similarly, PR upon DF. Similarly, we find PR upon DF. Let's see. So PR is what? 3 upon DF is what? 6. So 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. So in this way, the value of PR upon DF is also equal to 1 by 2. So dear students, in this way, what? PQ upon D is equal to QR upon EF is equal to PR upon DF. So by SSS similarity, thus the ASSS similarity, triangle PQR is similar to triangle DEF. Hence proved. By the concept of SSS similarity. Okay, so in this way, here triangle PQR and DEF is similar to each other. Now similarly we take and solve one more question based on that topic. Let's see. And the question is, then we take and solve the last part of this question. And the question is, triangle is given as, two triangle is given as, this is M and P, and second one is what? EFG. EFG. And MN 2.7 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. This is 5. This is 4 centimeter. And this is 6 centimeter. So we have to check it if these are triangle, these are similar or not. So let's see its solution. First of all, we find Mn upon EF. So Mn is what? 2.7 upon EF is what? 5. So or we can add 27 upon 50. Okay. Now we find NP upon FG. This is equal to 2 upon 4. This is 1 by 2, 2 to the 4. This is 1 by 2. And we find NP upon EG. So this is 3 upon 6. So 1 upon 2. So these are equal, but Mn upon EF is not equal to each other. Thus we have NP upon FG is equal to MP upon EG, because of both are equal to 1 by 2, but it is not equal to Mn upon EF. So triangle MNP is not similar to triangle EFG. This is your answer. Okay. So this is the method, dear student, to check out the given triangles are similar or not. So please, first of all, you revise all the questions which we discussed in that class. After that, you complete your NCERT exercise based on the topic similarity, and you revise and do more and more practices of each and every theorems related to criteria of similarities of a triangle, which are very important for you and your upcoming examinations. Now, dear students, in next class we take and solve some important question of your NCERT exercise based on the topic similarities of triangles. Okay, now thanks to all.